Breaking news: future leaders brewed their brains in the ultimate hiring and negotiation workshop. Day started with curiosity shots, a media house turned espresso-powered learning lab. Every role deserves attention. They kicked off with hiring mindset reset, unlearning instinct, relearning structure. Competency decoding through personas. Then came the STAR filter, because good stories aren't just told, they're decoded. From vague to vivid, they practiced asking sharp, reflective questions that reveal the real deal. Know your BATNA, don't settle, negotiate on value, master your prep, patience is the key. Then the espresso really hit. Welcome to the negotiation arena. Offers, counters, walkaways, all brewed live. From anchoring like a pro to reading the room, it was all about smart asks and strategic pauses. Deals were made, espresso was shared, and no one folded under froth, because negotiation is not just about the money, it's a mindset. Now they won't just ask, "Tell me about yourself," they'll dig deeper. And negotiate without guilt, because hiring is a crafted conversation. These leaders are no longer just interviewing, they're brewing business impact one sip at a time. Want this cafe style for your teams? DM Café to know more.